So let us start with question number 6. That is, the density of a metal is 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, what you have to find, that is relative density of the metal. So let us write what is the given part in the question. Here it is given density of metal, okay, that is 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. Okay, directly what it is asked, relative density, that is RD is equal to how much. But remember students, I already told, if density of water is not given, then what you will consider, you always have to remember density of water, that is equal to 10 raised to 3 kg per meter cube. This is the value where you have to remember. If it is not given, then you have to take this. Now what is to find relative density? What is the formula? You already have the formula, that is density of metal upon density of water, right? Density of metal upon density of water. So just put the value. Density of metal is what? 10.8 into 10 raised to 3 upon 10 raised to 3. Now 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 3 got cancelled. So what you got, that is 10.8. This is what your relative density, your final answer. Understood? Next part, look at question number 7. In question number 7, it is given the volume of an object is given 20 centimeter cube, okay, and the mass is given 50 gram. Density of water is also given here, 1 gram per centimeter cube, or it is read as gram centimeter raised to minus 3. Will the object float on water or sink in water? The question is asked. What is the given part? Let us write. 7th question. Volume is given 20 centimeter cube. Mass is given, that is 50 gram. Now write down the density of water which is given, that is 1 gram. See, here centimeter raised to minus 3 is written. It is nothing else but gram per centimeter cube. See, if I write like this way, gram per centimeter cube, this is also correct. If you don't want to write in a denominator, so if you want to write in gram centimeter cube, so the 3 will goes in a negative. So that is what it is shown in the question. Is it clear? Now question is whether the object will float on water or sink in water. Now what is the concept about the floating? I told, if the density is more, then what will happen? It will sink. Is it clear? While if density is less, then it will float. So this is the concept. Okay, so let us find out what is the density of this substance. So first of all, what is the formula to find the density? Density, that is equal to mass by volume. What is mass here? 50. And what is the volume here? 20. Okay, so here 0 and 0 automatically got cancelled. So what is left? That is 5 by 2. If you solve this 5 by 2, that means you will be getting answer 2.5. And what will be the unit? Mass unit is gram. Volume unit is centimeter cube. So gram per centimeter cube. This is what your density. Okay, so now check the density of substance, that is 2.5. okay, and the density of water, it is 1 gram. So which one is the greater one? That is obviously this one, 2.5, right? So automatically you got the answer that which object will float on water, whether the object will float on water or sink in water. It is clear as I told. So what you will be writing is, you should write the reason. Okay, you cannot write directly that object will you should not write directly the object will sink. You have to write the reason why it is sink. So just write, since the density of the object is more than the density of the water. This is clear, no? The density of water is 1 gram per centimeter cube, and the density of the object is 2.5 gram centimeter cube. So obviously which one is greater one? The object, right? Since the density of the object is more than the density of the water, so what will happen? The object will sink. Is it clear? The object will sink. So this reason you have to write. Okay, directly don't write that object will sink. You have to present what is the reason behind writing this. Is it clear? Now look at question number 8. Question number 8. You can see the volume of a plastic. Okay, it is covered seal is 350 centimeter cube. What is given? Volume is given. Then what else is the box having mass, that is 500 gram. That means mass is also given. What is asked? Will the box float on water or sink in water? Almost similar to this question, right? Also, what will be the mass of water displaced by the box? Okay, so how much water is displaced from this box, that also you have to find out. Only the last question is a little different, otherwise still here it is almost same with the question number 7. So let us find out. Write down the given part. What is the given part in question number 8? Given part, that is, you can write like this way. Given part, volume is given. Volume, that is equal to 350 centimeter cube. Mass is given, that is 500 gram. Now it is asked. Now see, if you don't know the density of water, what I told you, you have to represent as 10 raised to 3. Even this one also, the last time I told 1 gram per centimeter cube. This is also standard. The only thing is, the earlier one, it is kg per meter cube. Here it is gram per centimeter cube. They have converted from kg to gram. Okay, so nothing else, the same it is. Is it clear? So first let us find out the density here. Density, that is, what is the formula? Mass by volume. Now what is mass here? 500. How much volume it is? 350. right? 0 and this 0 will be cancelled. 50 and 35 both are divided by 5. It is 7, and here 5 is 1, 0. Okay, so what you got? 10 by 7. Fine. 10 by 7. If you solve this much, you will be getting answer 1.42. So this is what the density. So let us find out. Let's go. I have done the partition. It's continuing from here. See, so the density what you got, that is density of the object of the substance, that is 1.42. Is it clear? Now 1.42, how you will write the unit? The mass unit, that is gram, and volume unit, that is centimeter cube. So gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so write down gram per centimeter cube. Is it clear? Fine. Now what is asked in the question? Will the box float on water or sink in water? How you will come to know the density of substance is 1.42. I told if it is not given, then density of water will be 1 gram per centimeter cube. Now tell me whether this 1.42 is big or 1 gram is big. Obviously 1.42 is the bigger one. So whether the object sink or float, obviously it will sink. Why? Because the density of box, that is more than the density of water. So you will be writing the reason. First write down the reason. Since here it is clearly mentioned about the box, so since the density of the box is more than the density of the water. This is what the reason. What will happen? The object will sink. Okay, since it is more, the density of the box is more than the water, the object will sink. This is already, you have learned this concept. Is it clear? Now one more question it is added in the question, that what it is, that is what will be the mass of water displaced by the box. For this, what you will write, as we know the Archimedes principle. According to the Archimedes principle, what is told, that the mass of the displaced water, okay, it is equal to the volume. This is what we have learned in the Archimedes principle. So straight away you can write the reason. Don't write directly the mass will be 350 gram. Okay, you should write the reason first. So what reason you will write? You have to write like, according to the Archimedes. According to the Archimedes principle, you have to write principle, the mass of the displaced water is equal to the volume of the box. Understood, students? We are writing this principle which you already learned, Archimedes principle. Okay, so according to the Archimedes principle, what is saying? The mass which is displaced, okay, the mass of the displaced water, it is equal to the volume of that object. Here it is given about the box, so it is equal to the box. So what is the volume of the box? It is given in the, here you already have written here. See, volume, it is given 350 Okay, so obviously the mass will be, so therefore you have to write the mass of the displaced water will be how much? 350 gram. Is it clear? So this is what about the question number 8. So here we are finished with this examples. Fine. I hope students you all have understood. Thank you.